Hello, hello. Today we are talking about gathering supplies for the Fabric Godmother Aspen dress. The Aspen dress is a exposed zip dress, relaxed fit, gathered skirt onto the waistband. You got short sleeve or long sleeve options. There is also pockets on the front and an option for a curve shaped pocket with a frill around, which is what I'm going to be doing, a short sleeve dress with ruffled pockets. So the Aspen dress is a mid-length utility dress. The key feature is an exposed zip front opening. The optional ruffled pocket adds a playful, softer finish, or choose the top stitch patch pocket for more of a utility look. So they class this as a level 2 out of 4 sewing level. Features a collar, half moon stand, optional long sleeves gather onto a cuff with a bound split opening. The cuff closes with a button and buttonhole fastening. Alternatively, you can make a simpler short sleeve with a deep stitched hem. Now, I am doing the short sleeve version. I'm going to do the pocket with the ruffle. The reason I'm doing the short sleeve version is because it's May right now and I want a more summery style dress. So you'll need your main fabric, iron-on interfacing, a close-end dress zip, depending on your style, depending on your size, how long, thread, sewing machine, basic sewing tools. You'll also need 2 buttons if you're doing the long sleeve version. So fabrics recommended with a bit of structure, such as poplin, linen and denim will give this garment the body needed to make the most of the utility styling. If you're using denim, we recommend no heavier than 9 ounce. For a fancy version, use a sparkly brocade or an embroidered cotton. Now, I haven't read that, and I have actually got a linen and viscose, which is a little bit more drapey. And a bit more summery weight. This is from Pound Fabrics and it was £5 a metre. There is another colourway which is green. So it's really quite nice, this fabric. I do like it. The Aspen dress, kind of talking fit wise, the Aspen dress is a midi-length dress. The bodice is fitted at the shoulders and the upper bust to a looser fitting waist seam. The waist seam sits just above your natural waist and the skirt falls loosely, stopping at mid-calf. Included 2 cup sizes, B cup and D cup. And I'll talk you through how to choose that as well. Measurement charts here, which I'll upload into the hub. And fabric requirements. So it depends what size you're making, how wide your fabric is. So I'm making the short sleeve with the ruffle pocket. My fabric is 140 wide. I'm somewhere between these two, so 360 to 380. So 4 meters is required. Sadly, I only bought 3, so I've had to order some more of this fabric. So I've got more than specified, but in 2 pieces. So it's between 3 and 4 meters, dependent on your fabric and how wide it is, even up to 6 meters if you've got narrow fabric. Interfacing, you need between 30 and 50 centimeters. And then zip lengths. Depends on the size you're making and the size you're making and the cup size you're making. I have purchased my zip. So my zip is this lovely kind of contrast zip with the ring zip pull. It's from Zipper Station. I would recommend you check them out. They've got lots of fun things like this. And the other thing that I've added into mine to make it a bit more interesting is I've bought this cotton poplin, again from Pound Fabrics. This was £3.50 a metre. And I'm going to use that on the ruffles around my pockets and as my undercollar. And probably in the half moon section of the collar as well. That's just to add a little bit of interest on there. I think as a combo, I'm really quite excited by it. Discount codes, I will get discount codes uploaded into the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group as soon as I have them. And I look forward to seeing all your lovely, lovely versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group soon.